mixture form. Mixture form when two or more substances are combined together by physical means. When we combine the salt and water, it is called mixture. When we combine fruit and milk to make fruit salad, it is called mixture. And we combine water and coffee powder, mixture is also formed. There are two types of mixture, the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now we will find out the classification of homogeneous and heterogeneous. Let us first talk about homogeneous mixture. The components of heterogeneous mixture are: first, they have a uniform composition and the substances are combined together. Second, cannot be seen easily and separately. Third, homo means same. Fourth, two substances combine extremely well with one another. Last, they have formed a uniform mixture and it will contain a one-phase matter when we combine coffee powder and water and mix it well. What will you notice? Correct! We will not be able to see properly where the water and coffee powder are. We will notice that it is the same substance. We only one phase of matter. But why do we only see one phase? One phase means only one appearance. Let's look at this diagram. What can you notice about two combined substances? Correct! They are evenly and uniformly distributed. This is the reason why homogeneous mixture have one phase. Example of homogeneous mixture are seawater, which is combination of salt and water. Vinegar, a combination of acetic acid and water. Air, a combination of different gases and alloy. Let us now identify heterogeneous mixture. The components of the heterogeneous mixture are: first, they don't have a uniform composition and the substances of the particles paired. Second, you can easily identify the substances from the other. The word hetero means many. This means the substances combined together for many phases. Any mixture that contains more than one phase of matter is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, when we combine milk and different types of fruit, what will you notice? Correct! You can still see the combined substances properly. You can easily identify different fruit and milk that we combine together. You can see more than one phase. But how does it happen? Look at the diagram. What will you notice about combined substances? Correct! The particles are not evenly and not uniformly distributed. Because of that, we see more than one phases. The substances combined are different size. The substances combined together is not mixed well. The substance is not uniform. Other example of heterogeneous are oil and water. Oil and water are immiscible liquid, meaning they don't have mixed together. They form layers when they are combined together. That's all for today. Again, this is your Thai Body, Kurt Matthew. Goodbye!